Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.